Hi. So today we are going to learn about Chatter, how to use Chatter. Now, first thing is, what is Chatter? Chatter is a collaboration tool where employees, can collaborate either on a particular account or particular opportunity, on different matter. So let's see what are the options coming over here. First thing is what I follow. In case of Salesforce, you have option to follow certain items. Example, I'm going to accounts. I'm opening one accounts called Hindustan Unilever. Example, this is a very important account for me and I want to follow this account. Whatever is happening, I want to get update. So you have option to follow. Okay. And the moment you start following it, you will start getting update about this particular account when you click on what I follow, right? So this is point number one. Point number two, so one thing is you have option to follow. Example, there is a contact, you can follow that particular contact. You can follow a particular quotation, you can follow a particular revenue records, RO order records. Example, you have submitted a quotation of 5 CR. Say for an example, you want to follow that quotation, what is happening, if there is any update for that quotation, you want to know. So you can open a quote record and you can start following that quotation. Okay, anyway. Second thing is to me. That means if anybody mention you, how people will mention, example, people can mention you at the rate your name. Example, I'm saying Ankita. Okay, so whenever I say Ankita and I type, how are you, now whenever Ankita will come to this chatter post and she will come here to me, she will be able to see that, I have mentioned her in this particular, post. It to me, that's not coming because that was not at mention to my name. She will get that. Whenever you at mention anybody over here, example, I am at mentioning Pratanu. Okay, and I type something, Pratanu will get one notification in this bell icon. Okay, so anyway, now look at this, what I follow, these all things are coming here. Okay, to me, you understood. Anybody mention you in a comment, that will be coming over here. Going to bookmark. What is bookmark? When you see lot of discussions are happening, lot of posts are there, and there is a post, something very important for me. What you can do, you can go to that particular post and you can bookmark that post. You can go to some other post and you can bookmark that particular post. So what will happen, see here, bookmark tag is coming. So whenever you will go to bookmark those, post, you will be able to see here, right? Now, next option is company highlights. What is company highlights? Whatever is happening in and around your company, you will be able to see here what other users are saying. It's just like your Facebook wall, things will be coming over here, right? Now, there is something called streams. So what is streams? Here you can keep, few records. For an example, let me create another stream. Example, global account stream. Okay, so global accounts, here you want to keep certain accounts. Example, Hindustan Unilever is one of the global account. Example, Reliance Group, another account. So you can, bring few records here, and when any updates are happening in those records, you will be able to see the updates here. Example, this is your key account stream. So key, under key account, you can add few accounts, and in those accounts, example, if you see here, These are the three accounts I have added. If you want to add more accounts under key accounts, example, I want to add one more account called test account. Okay, I want to add one more account here called test 123. So you can tag multiple accounts under key accounts, and if any updates are there in those key accounts, you will be able to see your updates over here, right? Acha. Similarly, you can have multiple streams over here. Next, you can, just like your Facebook group, you can create your groups here. Example, there is a group called all employee group. So when you go to all employee group, if you post anything over here, all the employees in that particular group, all the members of that group, you will be able, they will get a bell notification here. Okay, so example, I want to post something over here. Example, I want to post something like, do we have holiday on 1st Jan 2026 at the rate all employee group. I want to post it, share. So all the people in that group will get the notification. If you go to all employee group, all the people in that group will get bill notification. Now people can like here, people can comment, no, it is working for us, or people can say no, we need a holiday on that particular day. So you can have all employee. Example, your HR can post something over here. One more important thing, you can, similarly, you can have sales related group where you can share, you can add members, right? You can add multiple members. Let me add members here. So you can add members, or people, user whom you are not adding, they can join themselves. They will be able to see all the active group, and they will have an option to join the group. By chance you are not facing difficulties, let us know, we will help you. If you go to a particular group, you'll be able to see all the members in that group. You will be able to share different folders and files. For an example, I'm sharing couple of important documents in that group. So ultimately, you understand, you are using Facebook, it is the same Facebook kind of application, and you can share a post, you can like it, you can comment on a post, you can create multiple groups. One employee can be part of multiple groups. So this is how you are going to use it. Okay, and as I told you other day, this is a generic place. Now you go to one account related to this particular account, you want to ask something. Example, you are asking that, can anyone share the CEO mobile number for this client? Okay, at the rate all employee group. So you are asking for a help for Mindshare company. If anybody has the CEO's mobile number, they will help you. Okay, now if anybody has, they will comment. So you can go to a particular record and start collaborating on that particular account. Or what you can do, you can tag at mention issue, can you please approve this account? So any kind of discussion can happen over here, right? So that's all, guys. Similarly, if you go to RO, if you open a particular RO, you have that option to chat over here. You can start collaborating on a particular RO, right? So that's all, guys. Let me know if you need any help, anything. We are always available. Thank you.